In this video, we will learn to read data from Excel or spreadsheet file with Python. We'll be using Python xlrd module. xlrd module is a library to extract data from Excel sheet. First, we have to install this module. We can search install package. Now we have this package installed. We can import in our script. Import xlrd, and we can give the path of our Excel file that we created in our other video. I'm just gonna do my Excel file, then give the path of that Excel file. I will import that Excel file to this project. Now I just need to give its name. Now we will open the workbook. So workbook, and we are going to use xlrd's function open workbook and give our Excel file. And now we can get sheet by index from our workbook. You Excel sheet, and we're gonna go workbook dot sheet by index. We just have one sheet, so we are going to give index 0. Now we can loop through our columns and print our column name for I in range Excel sheet attribute and columns and calls, and this will give us the number of columns, and we just need to print Excel sheet dot dot cell value and need to give the row and columns. Here will be I. We can run this program and check. We can see it printed our column names from Excel. Now we can print the rows, the values. we just gonna use loop again for I in range, and then Excel sheet. This time we're gonna do n rows, number of rows, and then print Excel sheet and row values, and give I. Now we will run it again and check if it's printed the value for rows too. This should be lowercase. Excel sheet. Okay, now try it one again. You can see in the output we got the rows values too. So this way you can read Excel file. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.